All right, it's Friday, May 23rd, just following up on Amazon. I just bought it here as described in the last video. This is the 1 minute chart at this lower blue line, expecting to take out the highs of the day, the upper blue line. So within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes, it got up there, took that out. I just scaled out and set up a no-risk trade. I bought the stock at 201.08. I just scaled out at 201.60. About 50 cents higher, so it lowers my break even, to about 250 down here. If you look at the 15-minute chart now, lowers my break even stop somewhere to the low of this little consolidation area. So if this whole move fails up here, number one, I could take a small gain if I just see it developing. If it really, has a major reversal, I'll do no worse than break even. I'll see at this inflection point, can it hold green and follow through higher? So that's all I was expecting. Again, this is a tricky day, big gap down, a lot of stocks found buying early, but you're still way below the midpoint of the prior day. On the daily chart here, you're trying to see into this gap. Do you get a reversal? It just looked like good, intraday price action to get a little push higher. Again, if we can get somehow strong follow through, surprising, to the midpoint of this bar, maybe we get a strong, follow through all the way up to the 205 area before it's over today. We'll find out at no risk. And this weekly chart, after hitting the gap, might close a little bit of a, a hammer bar, maybe, a little kind of, which means we're just pausing in this overall uptrend and maybe wanting to resume higher to sell a lot higher targets up there. So a lot will depend on how this weekly chart closes today. We'll see if we can get green and, because on the monthly chart, we did kind of hit our 2-up month target. So to me, given that you could see here, we're not really pushing through that strongly. This could be just a trading range in here for the next few weeks. And that's going to depend on the weekly chart, how that unfolds and what happens into next week. So anyway, high probability to make this move. That's all I was playing for. Nothing, it's a very tricky day today with a lot of stocks gapping down towards the end of the week. But it did bring in buying early, and it's just a very small trade I wanted to make and see what develops. So we'll see what happens for the rest of the day on Amazon.